welcome back to my channel. Today's video features my friend Hannah, and I'll leave her Instagram down below, so don't forget to give her a follow. Today's makeup tutorial features an old Hollywood glam look, very smoky and dramatic cat eye with large lashes paired with a red lip. This look is perfect for the holidays coming up and just if you want to feel glam. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm starting her makeup off with the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel, and I'm spreading that evenly across her face. It's such a good base for makeup. Now I'm spraying her face with a makeup primer spray for oil control. It really locks your makeup in. Then we're off to the second primer, which is a color correcting primer to help with the redness on her face. Now I'm taking clear tape and I'm placing it from the corner of her eye to the tail of her brow. And this is a really easy step to create a snatched cat eye effect. Now I'm using a BB cream as an eyeshadow base, and then I'm setting that with light powder. So if you couldn't already tell, I'm starting out with the eyes for this makeup look instead of the face. It's all about preference, but I knew this eyeshadow look would have a lot of fallout, so I wanted to do the eyes first. So I put a transition shade into the crease to define the crease and warm up the eyes. And now I'm taking a black and I'm smoking that out in the outer V for definition. Now I'm going back with the original crease shade to just blend out the black and kind of diffuse it so it's not as harsh. Now I'm taking the original powder that we used to set the eyelids with, and I'm placing that in the center of the eyelid where there's not much shadow. Now I'm going back and diffusing everything so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. liquid liner. This is an affordable liquid liner that I love, and I feel like it goes on very smooth and it's super black. Going back to the Naked One palette, I'm using Virgin to highlight the brow bone and then the inner corner to complete the eyes. Now I'm giving her upper lashes a coat of mascara before we put the falsies on. This mascara is also amazing from the drugstore. It makes your eyelashes very voluminous. And now I'm gently peeling off the tape and then taking any excess eyeshadow off of her under eyes. Now starting off the face, I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. It is a medium to full coverage. The only tip I would give you guys is do one side of the face first, blend it out, and then finish with the second half because this dries down very quick. Now using a concealer with a peach undertone, I'm using this to color correct the blue and purple tones that are underneath her eyes. The face is looking very flat now, so I want to add dimension and contour. So I'm warming up her face with this BB cream. I love the consistency of it. It's very buildable and feels lightweight on the skin. Now I'm going over her face with the damp beauty blender to just make sure everything is blended and seamless. Now I'm using this CoverGirl concealer to mainly highlight and brighten the high points of her face. As you can see, there's a lot of blending in this video, so once again, I'm blending the concealer out and then making sure everything is seamless with the beauty blender afterwards. Now, since we're done with all the cream products, we can go ahead and set them down with powder. After using the loose powder in her T-zone, I'm setting the rest of the face with pressed powder. It's a little bit darker and it will lock in her makeup and her foundation so it does not slide throughout the day. Now going in with bronzer, which is my favorite part. It makes everyone look so healthy and alive. And I'm hitting her face at the high points, which is her forehead, her cheekbones, and a little on her nose, where the sun would naturally hit her face. Now going in with highlighter, I'm using the Mary Luminizer by The Balm. This is a cult favorite and is one of my staples in my collection. Now going in and highlighting the inner corner on the brow bone one more time because I can never miss that step. Now to finish off the face makeup, I'm using blush and I'm just warming up her cheeks and bringing a little bit more life and color into her face. Now going in with micellar water, I'm taking off the excess foundation and concealer that has been stuck on her lips. Now going on to my other favorite step, which is lashes. I feel like you can just transform a look to supernatural to glam in like 1 second. Now I'm brushing up the brows and getting ready to fill them in lightly. I start with the front of the brow and I lightly brush upwards, and then I finish with the tail of the brow, which is typically filled in a little darker. Now I finish off with brow gel, so they are put for the whole night, and then I go over with liquid liner once more to cover the glue, and then I'm giving the lower lashes a good coat of mascara. Now I'm putting a little bit of loose powder underneath her eyes to make sure that the mascara doesn't transfer to where I put the concealer. Now the last step is lips, and I'm lining her lips. This look is a very old Hollywood glam look, so I love the lashes, I love how dramatic the eyes are, and then of course, you have to pair it with a red lip. This look is great for Christmas, great for holidays coming up, so I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!